tinatawag na paper flower.
Because of Northern Blossom at on how it turned out, malaking pasalamat po namin dahil po dyan, Kapamilya ngayon po ay naging isang tourism destination.
Mabuhay! Find yourself in Northern Area! Love the Philippines!
Time ng the time of pandemic time, we know that Baguio is so strict, very tough. Yung mga restrictions. So the owner wasn't able to go back to London. So she thought of making something like a copy of United Kingdom. Welcome po, Sir Dex. Thanks for coming again. So she thought of making this, but she never expected that it's gonna be a place for people to visit.
Sa Tuglay, ano lang po, simple lang po Tuglay.
Yung Brazilian grapes, eto na po yun. Para siyang kamyas. Apo, mas malaki po. Minsan, yung ngayong year, medyo maliit siya. Meron yung year na malalaki naman. Pero medyo Agubangbang. Dialect namin ka, Agubangbang. Ito is parehas lang dito na slimy. Kaya pag black na ito, pwede mo, matamis din siya. Pwede nang kainin yung matumbas. Ganun siya.
After 56 years, Miss Grante, nakapag-strawberry picking.